Hello everyone. Good evening everyone. This is at the red apron everyone. And it's a red apron. Actually, you can order in any color. Actually, mayroon siyang pocket dito on side, sa harap, not side, on front pala. And then, kung makikita nyo everyone, it's so very girly, very cute, very feminine, very sexy apron everyone. And interested, just message me. Actually, I have on hand here, tatlo. So, perfect siya yung pang daily outfit natin sa kusina or kung mayroon kayong mga event this Christmas or mayroon kayong mga special event, I think you can wear this just like it's just like a mini, very cute dress apron, everyone. Actually, it's very adjustable, everyone, dahil tali-tali siya sa likod, no? So, this is the one of Ate Red Apron, everyone. Interested, just message me. And I think it's so very cute, very girly. So, I think perfect din ito, everyone, pag mayroon kayong mga event sa Umisi na naghanap kayo ng mga very cute style, fashionable outfit or something apron style. I think this is very cute. And interested, just message me. No? Be sexy on the kitchen. No? And mayroon siyang